Evening, everyone. There are great things to be said about both San Francisco and San Diego, but this week Reds fans were in love with Fran, hated Diego. No one would have thought that Brian Price's guys would go from sweepers on the wharf to being sweepies in the gas lamp district. It's always nice to visit San Diego unless the Reds have to play the Padres, because it was a bad trip. After sweeping 4 from San Francisco, the Reds got shut out twice. Johnny Cueto. He had given up 1 run in 17 starts in the first inning. He gave up 3. That's all San Diego got when Billy Hamilton couldn't grab one with the bases juiced. They all scored. Cueto goes 7. Frazier got a couple of hits. That was about it. And the Reds come home on Friday after losing 3 in San Diego. Well, we knew PBS was the Bengals training camp site. Today, the release on the details of all the wins. Camp opens Thursday, July 24th, runs through August 14th. Family days will be on back-to-back Saturday afternoons, August 2nd to the 9th. Full schedule is on our website and on my Facebook page. UC and Kentucky finalizing their non-conference schedules today. First look at UC's notable games. Going to Nebraska, Huskers only lost 1 home game last year. Then 2 tourney squads. 5th, 3rd will host San Diego State, VCU. Then to NC State, hosting Xavier in the first edition of the new Crosstown Shootout in February. Here's Kentucky. Plenty of RPI boosting games on their schedule. They get Kansas and Indianapolis, welcome Providence, Texas, and North Carolina to Ruff, UCLA at United Center in Chicago, and on the road against state rival Louisville.
After much research and visits and phone calls, I've decided to stay in my home state and attend the Ohio State University.
Big moment this morning, St. X High School. Senior linebacker Justin Hilliard, before the ceremony, a 5-star linebacker, wanted to make sure that his live stream was working. He's got the whole thing working. He knew a lot of people were interested. He's the top prospect in the state. Brother CJ is a freshman running back at Iowa. Mom and dad now have 2 kids in the Big Ten.